Sili. Sili. As in yung siling labuyo. Kasi taga Bicol. Taga Bicol si Sili.
Kahit di hando, susubukan pa rin manalo.
Hello. Ngayon na kita nakilala.
Palaging magdasal kayo ni Ka.
Kanino?
Marami pang bala dito, pakitan na lang sa'yo. Maririnig mo rin ako. Papansin, di titigil, papansin.
Nagsimula kami sa mga ligawan ng anong meaning ng mga florals, ng mga flowers. Nagsimula kami doon kung ano ibig sabihin ng rose. Ay, bigay ko sa kanya yon as a gift nung boyfriend-girlfriend pa kami. Tapos yung song na yon, La Vie en Rose, tinuro niya sa akin yung kanta na yon.
Hold me closer, hold me fast. This magic spell you cast. This is La Vie en Roses.
Ai, mi amore, my love. Words cannot describe how I feel at this moment. In you, I found not just life partner, I found a home.
I'm in a world apart, a world of roses bloom. And when
I want to say thank you for raising me to be who I am. Alam naman ni Kath kung ano yun. I'm filled with gratitude and appreciation for you both. There are no other parents greater than you.
Siyempre!
and life will always be La Vie en Rose.
Love.
Ang ganda mo.
Thank you.
Pwede ba ako mag-propose? Kaya pa ba yung cake?
Bawal. Bawal pa yun. Mamaya pa yun. Sa chapel pa yun.
And now, my brothers and sisters, let us welcome our newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Salvadora, with a round of applause. And now, John, Ariel, maaari mo nang halikan ang iyong asawa.
I'm excited to be your husband. Actually, I'm now your husband. To begin our dream of living life and growing old together. Once I said to you, kahit girlfriend na kita, liligawan pa rin kita. Now, I promise you, kahit na asawa na kita, liligawan pa rin kita.
Pinagpipray ko tong araw na to kasi all my life I've been surviving. I can say na hindi ko nililive yung life ko as normal. Nung nakilala ko si Ai, natutunan kong mabuhay as a person. Hindi lang para mag-survive. So doon ako nagpapasalamat.
Unang tingin ko pa lang sa'yo, parang nagbago ang mundo. Bigla mong binago ito. Isang ngiti.
Parang kailan lang nothing felt certain as we pursued our careers in different countries. I've imagined this moment for so long, and now that we're here, I've never seen a more beautiful sight.
maging sa'yo kahit kalaban ko'y mundo. Sana nga'y pagbigyan mo ako.
Thank you sa pag-aaruga, sa pagmamahal at sakripisyo na binigay niyo sa akin.
Congrats na at yan, wish mo, andyan na, natupad na yung pangarap niyo. Happy for you.
Sa altar kung saan tayo'y magiging isa. Ang altar ay nag-aantay sa atin. Ang kampana ay tumutunog sa hudyat ng ating huni.
Thank you for loving the parts of me that aren't easy to love. And if death do us part, I promise to find you in every lifetime. And I promise to love you eternally. I love you to the moon and back.
My love, I vow to you now to be by your side as we navigate the twists and turns of life, to always treat you with love, kindness, respect, and patience. I will strive to be the best version of myself for you and shower you every day with love and affection. And even after the stars stop traveling the heavens, I will remain always your eye.
Dadaling ka sa dambahan na kahit malayo pa, kahit marami pa